start by pulling the carpet out of the trunk. Then we'll go ahead and remove the spare tire cover. I'm going to press on this little cap right here, lift up, and set this aside. On the inside of the trunk, we're going to have this trim bezel. There are 2 buttons, one here on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. Use a trim tool, get on in there and pop this little button out. Once that's out, repeat for the driver's side. Grab that trim, you want to pull it straight up. Work your way across the trim here. Once that's loose, go ahead and remove from the vehicle. Right over here, we have this little knob. I'm going to go ahead and pull this off. Just pull it straight off. Doesn't require any tools. Grab your carpet insulator. Work that over and just tuck that out of the way. Up top, we have another one of those little knobs. Go ahead, pull that off, set that aside. This is going to expose 3 10mm nuts. You can spin these off here. Now those 3 nuts removed, go ahead and grab the tail light, pull it straight back. You work the tail light harness out. On the back side here, there's a little connector. I'm going to go ahead and remove this from the tail light. Now on the upper portion of this tail light harness, the tab needs to be depressed, so I'm going to use a small pick. I'm going to press that in, apply some downward pressure, and then pull that connector off. Now's a great time to go ahead and clean the vehicle itself with that tail light out. Go ahead and take the harness, line that up, press it right on so you hear it click. Now you can go ahead and line up these studs with the tail light on the body and press that into place. Take your 10mm nuts, we'll go ahead and get those installed and just spin those down as far as we can by hand. Do that for all 3. Once we get all of these on, we'll go ahead and snug them down. Go ahead and take your trim liner here, pop this back into place. I want to go ahead and install our trim panel here. There are these metal clips. There should be 4 of these here running across the base. Let's go ahead and install this. Once everything gets lined up, we should be able to just push this down, get those locked in. We're going to take our little caps right here, get these pressed on. I have 2 of them on this side here that I had removed. Go ahead and repeat for the driver's side. Let's now go ahead and install our plastic push pins. Go ahead and repeat for the driver's side. Going to install our spare tire cover. Going to install our trunk mat. There you go.